And we are now back home, so we got the shop back. It's looking beautiful as ever. Anyways, so it's currently about 2:20. I spent the entire morning today going out to Houston to buy this. It's a piece of wenge wood, about 4 inches by 2 inches by 2 feet. It's not cheap stuff, but the customer requested wenge for the handle on the Bowie, so I can make a lot of handle scales for this one piece. So you can see. Yeah. Anyways, back home now. It's time to keep working. Catch you out at the shop. Well, alrighty then, folks. It's starting to get a bit late out. I am sore and tired and cold, and I got a headache. I wasn't wearing my coat because the arms are a bit tight in the shoulders, so it's hard to file, but yeah, I got one side finished, and the other side I got some nice progress done on. So I have to make that look like that, and put that there. But do that. All right. I think that's good. Anyways, there we go. Got a good amount of work done today. I bought the wood for the handle. I got one side finished. Just need to finish the other side. But I'm cold, sore, tired, headache, hungry. It's late. So I'm going to call it there for a day. So if you liked this video, please consider liking and subscribing to see our future videos and to see how this project turns out. And that's really all for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time.